I want to keep you in my arms, by my side. I own you, my possession. I can do whatever I want, and you'll obey whatever it is I command. My dominion over you is not an obsession. Don't define it wrongly. This is love. If you feel like I'm choking you, it's not violence, rather, it's self expression. I am so passionate, greatly driven, and I'll stick to my words. None can come between us. If ever there is, I'll bury him with one foot sticking out of the ground as evidence. As a warning to others that may have dirty intentions over you. Loving is protecting, and I am overprotective because I care, and most of all, I love you. Thus, stick this inside your thick skull. You are mine. Don't even think of trying to escape. The day you came into my life, the day we were bounded by fate. To be blessed by faith is something you need to wait. I'm just making sure bear the pain of the chains, sacrifices had to be made. If you have not fully committed to our love, there's still time to change your mind. Teach your heart to honor my gift of faithfulness and truthfulness, because honestly, you don't have any other choice. If you want to remain pretty, don't even question my judgment and always obey my voice. This is how it is now. Don't turn your back on me. Let's make our relationship healthy. You are lovely and I'm your prince, and let's keep it that way. Else, this whole love story, it will have a horrible twist. You can choose as a princess who wakes up and marries a handsome prince, or someone who's afraid to sleep, a lovely wife or a prisoner of a nightmare, a helpless blonde who is a resident of Elm Street.